What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're back on our buddy's 2009 Electric Glide that we're doing, the flat black bike. I went ahead and just set the tank on and set our rear fender on. I'm gonna go ahead and get that front wheel and tire on. Then we'll put the front fender on and then roll it outside so that I can put the bags and the outer fairing on because it won't fit through the door with all that stuff on it. But hopefully we should have this bike totally done and riding by the end of the day today. We'll go ahead and start knocking it out. Alright, we got a front wheel mounted. We'll go ahead and slide our fender in here. We're gonna go ahead and pop in the battery too. Just had it on the charger, so it's ready to go. Alright, now I'll go ahead and pop on our side covers. Alright, we got our little dash panel on here now. I'm going to go ahead and throw on our ignition switch, then this little plastic spacer. Got this little retaining nut. Aha! Alright. Now we can put our trim screws in there. go ahead and throw in our right saddlebag. I got these mounted up. I'm gonna go ahead and snug them up, and then we'll put our seat on and move on to the front end. Forgot to put this thing on here. I forgot to say, we went with these black Street Glide turn signals instead of the factory Electric Glide ones. They look a lot cleaner and stuff. We can go ahead and throw the outer on here, and I think that's about it. That and the windshield. Alright, go ahead and throw on my front fairing here. On the headlight. There it is. We got our smoked 6-inch windshield here. Alright, I'll go ahead and put all my other bolts in before I snug these up. So there's a lot of traffic out here and it's kind of windy, so I'll try to talk loud. I'm just going to tell you everything we did on this one. We went ahead and went with the matte black paint. We don't ever do that, but that's what my friend's wife wanted on this bike. We did the CVO style stretched rear fender and bags. I went ahead and bought some Catalyst True Dual, I don't even know the name of the brand, but exhaust with some 4-inch megaphone mufflers. Put painted points covers, gas cap and derby cover on there. We painted the air cleaner cap on it. Put a Street Glide front fender on it, 21-inch mag front wheel with matching rotors on there. It already had the 8s on it. We did a Bluetooth stereo on it, 6-inch smoked windshield, and put a Harley Badlander seat on it. Put a lowering kit. We did new tires front and rear, new brakes front and rear, and changed all the fluids in it. So should be a good rider for him. But we're going to take it for its first trip right now. Let's see how it sounds. Assuming it starts. I haven't heard it run yet. Good, sounds good. Well, that wraps up another one. We're going to get this thing loaded on the trailer and get it delivered to my buddy for his birthday. We appreciate y'all continuing to like, share, and subscribe our videos. Thank you very much.